Tingnan nyo naman yung view. It's so rustic. Kasi yung background namin is, at the back is just maraming puno. And this is their dining. Look at that. Very rustic. Very old looking pero sobrang ganda. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And today, we're here in Victoria. And what we're doing here, I don't know, just kidding. No, we're here to celebrate our birthdays. And we always rent an Airbnb. And this time, I'm gonna show you our Airbnb. And it's so really cool. It's a country, they call it a country barn, yeah, and it's 88 per night. So it's located here in not in the heart of Victoria, but it's just close to the city. So yeah, samahan nyo ako at i-tour natin ang country barn here in Victoria. Here is the entrance. So it's a one house, it's a one country barn. So here is a dining table, and as we go upstairs, join me. Tingnan nyo naman yung view. It's so rustic. Kasi yung background namin is, at the back is just maraming puno. So pasok tayo. So guys, nandito na tayo sa loob. Pagpasok natin, on my right side is the bedroom. And it's a queen size bed. And as you can see, ang ganda. Meron sila ditong fan for summer. And then the lights. They also have a natural light coming from this roof. So guys, they also have this blinds. It's an accordion paper blinds where we can like just pull. There you go. It's very nice. It's a very unique one. And also on this side is there's a study table, and on this area is a mini walk-in closet. So dito they provided hangers na rin, and then on this side it's an empty drawer on this side. So yeah, they only provided one kumot. And also, and on my left side is their laundry area, and also where you can see their heating system. They have here a radiator, I guess. Hindi ko alam kung gumagana yan. And here's their heater, water tank, and a dryer and a washer. So diretso tayo dito sa hallway, and dito ulit sa aking left side is their washroom. And yeah, it's a washroom. Sobrang maluwang, spacious yung washroom nila, hindi masikip. So look at that. Ang ganda ng ilaw. So there's another natural light coming from this top of the washroom, and also dito sa paliguan. There you go. And here they also provided a hamper kasi di ba may dryer and washer sila, so you could use that and wash your clothes. And on this side, nandito na tayo sa dulo. This area is their couch, parang receiving area. They also have a ilang inches na TV to, sobrang laking TV. Their kitchen is this area. And also dito sa kitchen nila, overlooking ang view, which is maganda. So kita mo doon yung mga bundok, and also they have tree house. Actually, this is a 5 acre This is 5-acre land. They also provided here oven and stove. And ang ganda, bagong-bago ata tong ano nila, exhaust. And this is their dining. Look at that. Very rustic. Very old looking pero sobrang ganda. And also we have here a microwave, which is also good, and a refrigerator. And also, pa na ipapakita, gusto ko lang ipakita, is, I think this is a coat hanger, or what do you call that? Like hooks. Yeah, they use this as a hook. So it's nice. Yeah, it's a hook. Parang, anong tawag nito? Regulator and pipe. So, very creative. Outside, sobrang labig lang. So, outside is here. They have patio. They have bench there. And also, yung sa baba yung pinakita ko pagpasok. Guys, so if ever na mapunta kayo dito sa Victoria, this is a good place to book. Nasilip ko din yung couch house nila sa baba and sobrang ganda din. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and hope you enjoyed my video. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Каждый день идем и чего-то ждем, ясным теплым днем или под дождем. Есть много слов пустых, а что слышишь ты? Смотрю я лишь вперед, мечта меня ведет. Иду не просто так, и мне не нужен знак. Слышу вновь и вновь, правит всем любовь. Если хочешь ты, напевай со мной. Знаем мы с тобой, правит всем любовь. Давай со мной шагай, в глазах ты прочитай. Не бойся, я стою и за руку держу. Мы вместе все пройдем, ведь правит всем любовь. Если хочешь ты, напевай со мной. Знаем мы с тобой.
Happy birthday!
Love you.
Happy birthday, Robert!
Hindi ka birthday mo. Love you.
Happy birthday! Itong sneaky mo ah.
Aga mo na nagising. Hindi mo pa birthday. Baby, dahil nagising ka na, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear baby.
Bakit niya magsisinyan
Happy
ko?
birthday, tayo candle. Blow your candle. Sige na. Love you.
Robert. Nag-video ka?
Happy birthday, baby.
Namumula ka.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tulog ka na ulit.